other side. I'll back up a couple steps, please. Alright, left side, good. Alright, first pose. 巻きます。
The red devil, I call her. Or the bloody devil.
Okay. Good point for Makima.
Good. Okay. Let's have to start.
Get the horse. Okay.
Let's start there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose. Okay. We go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Himeno senpai. Himeno goes. Himeno. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose. Okay, second pose starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next up is Kobeni.
Any pose for them?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Okay, first pose.
First pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stage pose. You're with the shooters, aren't you? Okay. Pose now in 5, 4, 3, You gotta remember.
Oh.
Okay, first pose.
Hold on. Do you think two steps to your right?
Oh, yeah, move it. Yeah. Move it like.
It's this here. It's the center. This is the center.
All right. 5,
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Second
Change
pose. Next up, second pose in 5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Next character is
Kishi Bay.
Kishibe.
My master and trainer taught me never trust what a hunter says.
Yes. Get going. First pose now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose now. Second pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one is
Beam.
Bees next.
Sharky!
Okay.
Sharky!
In. Okay, there you go. First pose now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's second pose. Second pose now for second pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next one is Rize. Let's look for the movie. Rize. I just said on purpose, like, yeah, Rize could be okay, first pose now. Strike a pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose now. What's going on? What?
5, 4.
So hold on. Second pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay. Who's next?
Are there any other characters that we have brought up for Dingle?
Is there more?
They got. First pose.
Okay. What?
5,
5, 4.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Second
Change
pose. Okay. Second pose now. Strike in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Any more characters? I think it's one of the
Okay. I'm just borrowing this one because I'm the co-host. Okay, get ready. Okay. We're ready there. First pose now. Strike a pose right now. First pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's second pose. Okay. Okay, second pose now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Denji power. They're just Denji power.
What was that?
Just Denji power.
Okay, now Denji and Power, please remain.
We'll do Denji Aki in there. We'll do Denji Aki in there.
And Denji and Aki will be after. So Denji, please stay. It's Denji and Power. Okay. Okay, now it's first pose. In. Okay.
Preview. Because what's up to your left?
The best of it, yeah.
Can I have the middle and the big? Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, first pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Second pose.
Chase pose. Second pose right now.
Okay.
Okay. Second pose. In. Okay, I guess.
You got your. Good.
Is everyone okay? Ready? You get ready? In 5, 4, 3,
Denji Aki.
Denji and Aki. And now it's Denji and Aki. Again, Denji cosplayers, please remain. Aki cosplayers, please actually go. Denji and Aki. Yes, Denji and Aki.
We do Denji Aki and then Denji Makima.
Yes. So Denji and Aki now. Okay. Get ready, please. Okay. Get ready. In. First pose. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose.
No. Okay, how about this?
Second pose. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Okay. And the second pose now.
Okay.
We start now. Start your pose now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now with Denji and Makima.
Denji Makima.
So Denji and Makima. Denji cosplayers again, please remain because now Makima cosplayers now, please proceed.
I'll do Aki Himeno.
Okay. Aki and Himeno will be after this one. Right now, Denji and Makima. The first pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now second pose. Okay. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with Aki and Himeno.
Aki and Hime.
Okay. First pose, second pose now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose. Okay, second pose. Okay, second pose now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aki cosplayers.
Aki stay there. Himeno out. Angel in.
Angel in. I'm gonna have to hand over to the main host for the microphone.
Aki and Angel.
Okay, we're good. We're full.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change pose.
Whoa. Make sure that we're. Let's squeeze it in a little bit. Squeeze it a bit. You're good.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Kobeni and Violence.
Okay, guys. Take a 2 step to your right. 2 step to your right. Center, that's the center right there. Across. 3, 2, 1. Then change pose.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Okay, Denji cosplayers, please proceed because the movie's coming really soon. Denji. Okay. Denji and Rize. Okay, get ready. First pose. first pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's second pose. Change to your second pose now. Shark boy and chainsaw boy. Okay. And second pose now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Denji cosplayers, please remain because Denji, Power, and Kishibe.
I was gonna ask for that. Thank you.
Hey guys, hopefully, yeah, near the curb actually. Move back. Guys, everyone back near to the curb. You guys are not that near. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, please, you guys have a couple of seconds now. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose, be ready. Second pose. Okay. Man. Now, second pose. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. He's ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose now. Second pose. Second pose. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
That's a good bit.
Any more suggestions now? Any suggestions now?
Any other suggestions?
The feeds with Power, Beam,
Darby.
Galgali. Okay.
Yep, that's all of
We
them.
do have them here.
Work close.
Okay. Now, first pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change to second pose. Second pose, try to pose now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next one is Denji and Yoshida. Yoshida? Denji?
Denji and Yoshida.
Yeah. Denji and Yoshida.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot this part. Okay, now. Let's go closer. The guy in the.
Take one step closer.
Please go closer.
Yeah.
Everyone closer, but there. Okay. Now, first pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second pose. Next up in second pose starts now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's next?
Any other suggestions?
Is there mushies? Denji, oh wait, hold on.
Right.
The feet
Take a feet up to your left. Your right feet.
Can anyone please?
Right.
Try close it in the middle. Like guys, close it in the middle. Please move in there, yes. Move to your right. Move to your right.
One more step.
There, okay, that's great. Denji and Pochitas. So Denji and Pochitas now. First pose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with the second pose. Okay, second pose now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Is there any more suggestions now?
Any more suggestions left?
Everyone, yes. Your photo. Sitting back. Back. Adjusting here. In. In 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, second pose now.
One more pose.
Second pose, last one. Sorry it took that long because like everyone was a bit there. Second pose. Okay, second pose now. Second pose. Last one.
Okay.
Get ready.
Right.
In. Okay, in 5. Oh, hold on. Just a bit. I think. Can you move your waist there? Sorry about that. Just the way that there. Just didn't want to